हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज रितेश। वेलकम टू डांसिंग विद डेटा, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है। सो व्हाट आई फॉर यू टुडे? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट an exciting extension, right? An extension that would help you to filter with the help of an image, right? So if I talk about the actual end product, you can see over there that if I click on sofa, I get the statistics with respect to sofa. Click on table, I can see the changes at map, at top 10 customer, and the line chart over there, and share. Isn't it cool? Yes, it is. But how to create it? We'll be taking help of an extension, an exciting extension over there, which you can see over here, right? So we'll do it from the scratch, and let's get started. Suppose this is your dashboard where you have a map, you have top 10 customers, and also you have the line chart which shows sales over time. So what you have to do is you have to make use of this cool feature extension which is there with you, and after that you can add an extension. There are two ways, whether you can download the extension or you can make use of the recently used extension over there. I can also go and search that very particular extension by clicking on the by keying in or by typing the particular extension like image over there, and you will be able to get it over there as well. Since I've used it recently, I see that this at the top, so I can make either of the two, right? Okay, so now there are three simple steps over there. I can choose the particular image. So I have an image with me. I've created an image, this one. Okay, let me take this one, the fake furniture. Let us go with the other one. Okay, and after that, I will check the particular dimension, in this case subcategories, because these all are subcategories over there: sofas, chairs, accessories, lighting, tables, and pillows, right? So you need to make ensure that you have all the images which are there in this subcategory. So I make use of the subcategory under dimension, and at the same time I would like to make an impact on all the three worksheets over there. So I'll choose all the three worksheets. I say okay, and after that I can adjust it on this sideways instead of having at the bottom, and after that the game will begin. For example, if I go with chair, I will just click over there and I will ensure that I am, you know, going through the boundaries over there and like that. Now you will have to give the particular element over there, chairs, right? And say okay. If I want to go with the tables, so I can do it like this. And I will say table. Right. Likewise, I'll have to repeat this for sofa, accessories, lighting, and tables and pillows. Right. That's it. Go and publish this workbook to your server. Once you publish this very particular workbook to your server, after that nothing. Just go and enjoy your image map filter. Just click on sofa. You will see the statistics with respect to sofa. If you click on chair, you will see the statistics with respect to chair. So I hope you like this extension. I will try to ensure that I get this visualization at my YouTube description or the LinkedIn description so that you can have a look, or why not you try it from yourself, right? So enjoy this extension. This bye from Ritesh from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है, क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है?